Hey everybody, this is Steven again from Familia Inc. up in PA. I'm shooting this video just to give anybody who's thinking about going self-employment, just think twice about doing it. I've been self-employed since 2005, and I've had my ups and downs, and pretty much I've survived, and I bought my home with my hustle money and all that, but I just wanted to give everybody an ideal, because I get family members and I got friends. Oh, Steven, you're doing good. You're making millions of dollars. Blah blah blah. Bullshit. I mean, I might be doing okay, making good money, but the minute you make the money, it's going right back out the door. You know, you got a handful of guys that are working for you that you got to pay. It's not all that. It's not all. Sometimes I think, shit, I should go look for a job, and you clock in, don't got to worry about no bull crap. But anyway, plowing snow is something that I do. I got 3 pickup trucks with plows, and this is one of them. Okay, this is the one that I specifically use. Today is Thursday, the 18th. Wednesday we got hit with a storm. I did a handful of them, and boom, the plow, the frame it came off. And as you see, we got a welder here. I got my welder Rocco, who's going to be welding things back together, but unfortunately, it was just a kick in the ass. You know, I did a handful. I got to get back on the road soon. Oh! I was going to buy me one of those damn things or whatever. I think that's rated, what, for a ton? For a ton?
Like 5 ton. 3 ton.
Son of a bitch. I was going to buy me one of those damn things. They come out handy. Let me raise it up and you look and you see. You don't want to go up, huh? You don't know, Rocco. Halfway the church on Northampton Street. Halfway done, and the goddamn plow just let go. It's a kick in the ass, because now you're the customer. I mean, thankfully tomorrow's not Sunday, because the church would have been. You know, I've had this church now going on 8 years. Forget about it. If it was Saturday that we got hit with a storm and this happened, I mean, they pay good money. The church pays me good money to clear their lot, their parking lot or whatsoever. So I got to kiss their butt. But unfortunately, or should I say fortunately, Sunday is, you know. But anyway, I had one of my other guys come in and finish the lot off. But it's a kick in the butt, because here I am. I started the night off. Me and the guys started at 4 o'clock in the morning, Wednesday. There was like maybe a few inches already on the ground or whatsoever. And, you know, some people that plow, they'll wait for the snow to come to a complete stop and then go out there and do their thing. To me, and it's not being shady, but I charge every time me or one of my guys goes to a job. I charge per visit. No such thing. What is that, like shimmies? Okay. You tell me if you want me to raise up or whatever.
Nope, I don't. That's not. Stay away.
I tell you, this welding shit is like a skill. I got 2 welders, and I don't know what, you know, like I'm going to take a course. Luzerne County Community College they have a course on welding. And it ain't going to hurt, but what's the point of having 2 damn welders and I don't know how to do my damn stuff? I don't think it has anything to do with the blade being tossed like that, because it didn't.
Stop it. I know what I'm doing.
Okay, no, okay. I'm just saying. I was trying to raise it up that when it happened that day, I put the strap to make sure going down the road to make it back home, that it wouldn't just completely come off the goddamn truck. This plow frame here, This plow frame was for the plow frame is what stays on the truck. The pump, the blade, all that has, like, there's 4 pins down there that you can't really see because there's a little bit of snow on there. But you pop off those 4 pins, this whole apparatus just comes off, okay? It has like a little leg in the middle there. Really nice. I paid $1,500 for it used. $1,500 for it. I've had it now 7 years. Please. It's quite, I've made, I don't know how many, it's made that over. That 1,500 was the best 1,500. But the plow frame was for another, I think it was for a Chevy or whatever. And Rocco was just so good. This guy, fabricator, he could do anything. And he made it work. Now, unfortunately, a lot of people don't realize when you're pushing snow, that's no joke, you know. Let me know if you need me, buddy. Just doesn't want to fall in that notch, huh? Son of a
You got a hammer?
Yeah. Yes, I do got a hammer. Yes, I do. It's not that 1 pound hammer. That would be, I gotta put one in here. Put one in here. This regular hammer's not gonna cut it. Yeah, buddy. I know I gotta get a big heavy duty one because this ain't. Let me know and I'll raise it, buddy.
Yeah.